Kini kalong ka khobor kabanga ko banai hakarukum jong kajing ai jimut hakibdei bat kijing ki pai ba persya ya ka sorkar bat nga ko ban sedang da kajingkali bat kajingkali kalong bali ba ki jing ki bajai jai kilong ki baklan bat ki bala ban penpoy ni syakathong jong kajing job ka daw hi kalong bala ringi jet ban penong ye ki jing ki bala ban penmi ye ki jing min saw ki jingklumar kanong ka kabu ka bakraw ye ka sorkar ba kan kier na ki jingkit kli ka sorkar kan general comment chikade bala ki jing ki kot no tang ha ki jingklumar but on katat no ru ya ki mat ki badai bani kren ki badai bani kun ki bakaya sorkar kan hapan juba hakaba ki briu ki ne kren no ye ki wipat ki benta kum ki jinge ki jing shepting ki jing red sim ki jing penrem ki bami na ki ne ki jingklumar ha ki jinge ki kumta kanong ka babha shibon la ringi pentikina bagi jeki ki bagi pelong persya ka sorkar kinum thau jingklumar namar kanong rukalat ka kabu yikiri shim kabu bakin penmi jingklumar knaban penput nam yaki bakhot yaki jeki namla ru klem dai kublik kerpang ikinong ilam jong ka khasi students union ki ba kloy ban penpau kumba kila penpau haki kot khobor baki pediang ya ki jing kentho ki jing wo daw ki jing wo dong haki bdei bat kani ka jingja ka blami hakani ka sin ka bakila penong ya ki jing ki wat lada ke la penshine du sin baningkong ba ka jeki jengki kanong ka bajai jai nga penrem juru ye ki briu ki bashim kabu ban penmi jingklumar hakani ka jeki but ka dawhi ka ba penong ba kini ka jingklumar kan mi ka denamar ba ka sorkar kala bakla bat kamshim la penbiang ye ki bor pahara ki babiang wan adin bakil tip bagandon kani ke jeki lara ka sorkar kan jin la pinbian iki bor pahara kinong shim kabu kinami ola pan penmi iki jingklumar aka juk pon nge pendrem jur yaki seng kali kamai ki bana asam ki bala pelong ye ke jeki persya ke ni jingja but bakata ka jingki ki jingki kalong penban kum ke jing pen ibor ka pamia hap dor bat ka i ka blaja hakani kanong ba ka jingi kini kalong ka khobor ka bang kwa banai hakani ka por ka pamenta. This is Ardent Milab, President of the Voice of the People Party. In this video I would like to give a kind of an advisory statement as far as the movement and protest against the government is concerned. And I would like to begin with a question. And the question is, why non-violence form of agitation and demonstration is far more better than any other kind of agitations? The reason is that when we choose for a violent means of protest, we should remember that it will always benefit the government. The government will be very happy to see that every agitation turns violent. so that it will get the opportunity to hide behind the law and order situation. Real problems will be swept under the carpet, and people will no longer discuss about genuine demands that the government should address. They will instead discuss about problem arises out of the agitation, fear that grips the minds of the people, condemnations, so on and so forth. It will also give a chance to vested interest to create problem and thereby give a bad name to the organizer and the state as a whole. I would also like to appreciate the leadership of the Khasi Students Union for their maturity when they clearly stated in the media that they are willing to accept criticisms in connection with what happened on their protest day, despite the fact that they had made a very clear announcement that their rally protest will be a peaceful one. And also at the same time, I would like to condemn the anti-social elements who took advantage of the situation and create trouble, leading to the breakdown of law and order in the state. Another point that I would like to mention is the failure of the government to provide adequate security and to beef up security on the protest day. And I would also like to condemn the Commercial Vehicle Association of SAM, who have reacted disproportionately to what happened in Meghalaya. Thank you.